Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. All right, so I was at the Home Depot and I came across this ratchet. And this is the RYOBI ONE 18-volt 3/8 inch 4-position ratchet. It's up to 35 foot-pounds of torque, and there's a 4-position rotating head. They're selling the ratchet for $99, tool only. If you guys have this ratchet, let me know what you guys think of it. Is it any good? Does it work the way it's supposed to? Does it have the same power, 35 foot-pounds of torque that it's showing as a detail on the sales slip? Just want to tell you guys, all right, you guys can get this same kit with the battery, with the charger, at Amazon for 99 bucks, which is the same ratchet, but it includes the battery and the charger. If you guys have any of these tools or have had any of these tools, you know the battery these days, lithium batteries, they're pretty expensive. They go from anywhere from like $40, $50, $60. The charger also very expensive. And same price, guys, same price for including the battery and the charger. And so I want to go over this. If you guys have this, definitely feel free to leave a comment section of your own experiences with this. It might actually help somebody else out to determine whether it's definitely worth getting or not. I know there are a ton of ratchets on the market to choose from, a ton of them. Walmart sells them these days. Harbor Freight sells them these days. You can buy cheapo ones from eBay, from Amazon. They're pretty much every single tool company has one of these ratchets out. I remember about 4 or 5 years ago, maybe 6 years ago, they were kind of a new thing as far as these tools were concerned with the lithium batteries. It wasn't a lot of manufacturers that actually had these out, and when they did have these out, it wasn't at at a price that was around $100. They were, I believe Harbor Freight had their Extreme Earthquake for $200, and that's the one I've been using since forever. I forget how many pound-foot of torque that ratchet had, but it's one of my favorite tools that I've ever used. It's probably, maybe, possibly my #1 favorite tool. All right. Now, this is very light. Now, I was looking at this without the battery on, but it's very light. These tools nowadays, they come in small, and they come in pretty small sizes. I've seen one where, you know, for mechanic stuff, you could probably use it to put your tool under some air intake or whatever. But they come in really, they come in pretty small sizes that are extremely usable if you guys need to get to very, very, very tight spaces. The battery is supposed to be lightweight to reduce fatigue. Battery is 18 volt. The charger is 18 volts. RYOBI seems to be a pretty, I think RYOBI is probably like the lowest, the cheapest brand, the entry brand that Home Depot has. Milwaukee's probably the top. DeWalt probably somewhere in the middle there. But RYOBI as a brand has been out for quite a long while. Anyway, if you guys are looking to get this, definitely check out the link in the link section, the description section. I'm going to leave a link in the comments section. Let us, if you guys have this or have had this or have used this, Let us know whether it's worth buying. I mean, is it worth buying? Is this worth buying for 99 bucks? Or is the Milwaukee's are like $200, probably like double the price, 150, 200, a lot more. Is it worth it to buy the Milwaukee, or is it worth to buy the RYOBI? I think RYOBI is the entry point for these kinds of tools. Anyway, leave a comment in the comment section. Regardless, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. All that good stuff, right, guys? Take care.